Hello students, today I am going to teach the subject science. Lesson name is our environments. Last class we discussed about the nature of different environments like forests, plains and hills. In this class we will discuss about pond, river, sea and desert. Now let me ask some questions. Where does the duck live? The duck lives in the pond. Where does the duck live? The duck lives in the pond. Which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Where have you seen the lotus? We have seen the lotus in the pond. We have seen the lotus in the pond. So first we talk about pond. What is pond? What is pond? A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Name some flowers that grow in the pond. Name some flowers that grow in the pond. Lily, lotus. Name the animals that live in the pond. Name the animals that live in the pond. Fish, insects, snakes, frogs, crabs and turtles live in a pond. Is it good to get into the pond? Is it good to get into the pond? No, it is very dangerous to get into the pond to pluck the lotus and lily flowers. Next, let us talk about river. Have you seen the water flowing from the mountain? Have you seen the water flowing from the mountain? Yes, that is river. It starts the journey from the mountain and finally flows into the sea. It starts the journey from the mountain and finally flows into the sea. We have seen the boat race in the river. It is famous in Kerala. It is famous in Kerala. What are the uses of river? What are the uses of river? We use river water in many ways like fishing, washing clothes, etc. We see many kinds of fish, crabs and birds live in and around the river. We see many kinds of fish, crabs and birds live in and around the river. Next, let us talk about the sea. Where does a ship move? Where does a ship move? The ship moves on the sea. What is sea? What is sea? A sea is a large water body. A sea is a large water body. What is the taste of sea water? The taste of sea water is salty. The taste of sea water is salty. Where do we get the salt from? Where do we get the salt from? We get the salt from the sea. We get the salt from the sea. What is used for fishing in the sea? What is used for fishing in the sea? Catamarans. That is kattumaram. In Tamil, kattumaram is used for fishing. Now answer yes or no for the questions. First one, river water is salty. Say yes or no. No. Sea water is salty. Second one, kattumaram is used for fishing. Kattumaram is used for fishing. Yes or no? Answer is yes. Next, third one, a river starts from a sea. A river starts from a sea? No, it starts the journey from the mountain. Fourth one, fish live only in a river? Fish live only in a river? No, it lives in pond, lake, river and sea. So tick the no box. Next, fifth one, turtles live in the sea? Turtles live in the sea? Yes, so tick the S box. Next, let us talk about desert. What is desert? What is desert? A desert is a hot and sandy place. A desert is a hot and sandy place. Where does a camel live? Where does a camel live? The camel lives in the desert. Where does a camel live? The camel lives in the desert. Which plant grows in the desert? Which plant grows in the desert? The cactus plant grows in the desert. The cactus plant grows in the desert. Which animal is used for traveling in the desert? Which animal is used for traveling in the desert? Camel is used for traveling in the desert. Answer is camel is used for traveling in the desert. The camel is called ship of the desert. Which is called ship of the desert? The camel is called the ship of the desert. The camel can drink a lot of water. Camel can drink a lot of water. It can live without food and water for many days. It can live without food and water for many days. Now you know about the different landforms and water bodies. Next, let us recall about the above topic. What is pond? What is pond? A pond is a place where water collects. A pond is a place where water collects. What are the different water bodies? What are the different water bodies? Pond, river, sea and lake. The dash water is salty. The dash water is salty. Answer is sea. S-E-A-C. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Which animal is called the ship of the desert? The camel is called the ship of the desert. Next, I am going to give some homework. First one, match the following. First, I read the questions. Pond, sea, camel, river, lion. Now, first one, pond. Answer is duck. Duck lives in the pond. Duck lives in the pond. Next one, sea. Sea. Ship moves on the sea. Ship moves on the sea. Next, third one, camel. Answer is desert. Camel lives in the desert. Next, river. So answer is boat race. We see boat race in the river. Next, fifth one, lion. Lion lives in the forest. Lions lives in the forest. Once again, repeat me. Pond, duck, sea, ship, camel, desert, river, boat race, lion, forest. Next one, answer the following question. What are the different landforms? What are the different landforms? Different forms of lands are forest, plain, hill, river, pond, sea and lake. Once again repeat me. Forest, plain, hill, river, pond, sea and lake. What is the spelling of forest? F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Next one, plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Next, hill. H-I-L-L, hill. River, R-I-V-R, river. Next, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Sea, S-E-A-C. Lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Okay students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.